Hi everybody, it's your girl Monique and welcome to my channel. You guys asked and you will receive. I am doing a lookbook video on some of the boots that I featured in one of my previous videos. I will definitely link that video to this video, but here's the twist. I did not get a lot of likes or a lot of requests for them, so I'm only going to do 3 of my favorite boots, and I'll be doing 2 looks per boot. So if you want to see how I styled those boots, honey, then you definitely need to keep watching. Okay, guys, tell me which one was your favorite. I freaking love dressing up. I'm a girl. I love dressing up and dressing down, and I try to mix my vintage with my casual and dressy up, and I just freaking loved it. So I hope that you love this video too, because it was a ton of fun doing it. And if you liked how that distressed denim skirt look, and you would like to see a video on how I revamp on some denim and add tulle to it, I need at least 30 likes for me to do a video like that. But I do have other videos of me revamping denim. So if you're inclined, go ahead and hit that like button. It's okay to send out that positivity. I ain't gonna tell nobody. And if you're inclined, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join my family. I think I did a pretty good job. Oh, by the way, this ponytail piece that I'm wearing is the Pony and Bang by Vivica Fox. I did a review on one of the other ones. This particular one is BP or BL Louis. I'll leave that information down below. But thanks again for watching, and you know what you guys need to do. You need to give me a high five. Bye, guys.